So the question is, what makes someone a good candidate for a shoulder replacement? I think the first thing is that their disease is bad enough. And so we talk about two indications for shoulder replacements being arthritis and rotator cuff tears for this reverse shoulder replacement. This can also be done for fractures. And so, clearly we want to leave that as a separate conversation. But, is their disease bad enough, number one? Second, how does it affect their activities of daily living, right? Is it creating pain for them and limitations on motions or abilities? And that's an important component to that first discussion. Second would be, have they tried non-surgical things first, like treatment options? Have they tried physical therapy? Have they tried an exercise program or medicines by mouth or injectable medicines, either biologics or corticosteroid injections, to see if they can treat their symptoms non-surgically with less risk before we move forward to something such as a shoulder replacement, which would entail a bit more risk. And the last thing really is that person healthy enough, right? Is the risk that we're going to undertake with surgery sort of mitigated or taken into account enough so that their health is still maintained throughout this surgical episode. We do a very diligent work to make sure that correctable risk factors like diabetes or other bone density issues are addressed and corrected so that we can go and move forward with a surgery prior to indicating that person and moving forward with something that might entail risk like a surgical replacement of their shoulder.